So this is my car. It's a 2003 Mazda Miata. It's pretty dirty, but mechanically perfect. I started with some small mods, slowly working my way up to some big stuff. With a lot of help from friends and family, the car was completely different. Like I said, the car is totally different. I've still never tracked the car though. So, one day, I woke up way too early, went to my local track, and found a spot in a more advanced group than I was used to. HPDE 3. I was pretty nervous as this car is the most expensive thing I own, and it's been my daily for the past 3 months. But once I found myself on track, I decided to send it. I was passing supercharged Mustangs, GT350s, Corvettes, you name it. The car had no issues at all, other than some super outclassed tires and brakes compared to the other people in my class. Despite being modded by an idiot, the car was great. It had predictable grip, forgiving rotation. The car was incredibly easy to drive. Now, 135 wheel horsepower isn't that great, but with a small track, it's not the worst thing in the world. And the biggest thing is that none of our cars broke down, we all made it home completely safe, and that's the most important thing.
Follow me, empty faces I can't reach. Dream away until it's gone again. Oh no, not again. Fall away.
Alright, so there we have it. That is track day number 1 completed. I'd say it was a pretty solid success. I definitely learned a lot of takeaways there, like the difference between 200 treadwear tires and 340 is insane. So that's something that I'm taking into consideration for next summer. Apart from that, brakes weren't too big of an issue. I think I have to work on getting some better tires before I worry about brakes. And yeah, overall, it was awesome. You know, my brother was there, one of my buddies, and it was an awesome day, and I'm super happy that I did it. Yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to say thank you again for 2,000 subs. It means a lot. That's a pretty big number for me, and it's weird kind of seeing that number on my channel. And I'm hoping that, you know, after graduation I can really kind of actually, you know, make this channel grow a bit and really give you guys some good content. So,
You should post nudes, dude.
you know what? I might have to.
2,000 sub ass reveal.
You know, that could be it. Maybe 5,000. That's some motivation. But anyway, thank you guys again for watching. Appreciate it. And yeah, see ya. Okay, send it.